Hey guys, what's up? This is John from Magic Tech Review. So I'm going to go ahead and do a speaker test of the ZTE Grand X2, X Grand X Max 2, the Alcatel Idol 3, and the LG Stylo 2. So I've been asked a lot, so here we go. All right, guys. So here we are with the sound test of all three phones here. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and start with LG Stylo 2. Then we will go to the ZTE Grand X Max 2, then to the Idol 3. So let's go ahead with the LG Stylo 2, just placed right in front of the phone basically. And here you are. Hey, what's up guys? It's John from Magic Tech Reviews. All right, so I'm playing that clip just so I don't get copyright strikes. And here is the ZTE Grand X Max 2 right in front. Hey, what's up guys? It's John from Magic Tech Reviews. All right, and then here we go with the Alcatel Idol 3 right in front again as well. Hey, what's up guys? It's John from Magic. So as you can tell, the Alcatel Idol 3 is the loudest of all three of them, just because it is does have that front firing speaker. So anyways, guys, hopefully that has cleared up some misconceptions, and so you know which one is the loudest and stuff like that. So that's a comparison of all three. I get this question a lot. I mean, a lot. Which one's louder? Which one's louder? LG Stylo 2, is it loud? Yes, it is. It's kind of loud, but it has the speaker on the back, so it's not that loud, and it's not the biggest speaker. Alcatel Idol 3 obviously has a speaker on the top front and top bottom, so it's stereo sound and dual firing front. Of course, it's going to be louder. And then we got the ZTE Grand X Max 2, and that actually has a speaker at the bottom. So it's not on the back, so it's going to sound pretty good too, front firing, but it's not actually front firing. Anyways, guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed that tidbit, and I will let you guys go. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please check some more out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.